Here's a quick update. So don't mind the stuff inside my trunk. There's a lot of junk in my trunk, if you know what I mean. So I put some strips on the inside of the bay area on the sides, and I put some where the spare wheel would be. I won't add any more just yet. Reason is because I'm going to add either, if I have any left, then I'll add something in there. So don't mind the stuff. Again, add more tape on the bottom. I have this much left, which I'm not going to use yet. I'm gonna add more if I have any left onto the sides. Reason because I have a lot to add more on the cabin, which is going to be on the bottom floors and on the doors. So I don't know how much I would have left. I may end up using all of that, but if I have any spare left, I'll add more. As of right now, is what you see is what I have installed in the time being. I'm running out of time again, so I'll add more tomorrow, but we'll see. Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow, or when I'm build the refree. Oh yeah, and by the way, I added more on the trunk on the top. I'll tap on the trunk, as you can hear. As you can hear, there's a lot more. There's less. So that's where I added some deadening materials. Like I said, I'll add more later. But yeah, you guys have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow or whenever I'm free. Alright, see ya.